What's up, AZ Westside Wheelers? Did you stick around? Are you ready to hear what's going on? Hey!
Today we're going to get started on a new project. So we're going to have to say farewell to Scrappy. He was a real good guy, and
Poor guy.
it's time, because what happens, you have to do a forced upgrade. So ladies and gentlemen, forced upgrade.
It's the perfect name change, because constantly this guy's been following me for the last few years, and everything that's been thrown at this thing has pretty much been a forced upgrade. So it's a fitting name.
Every single component that has been put on this has been because of a failure, and why replace something when you can upgrade it? And that has been the motto from the very beginning. Scrappy started out, and we were building them up with scrapped parts, not necessarily parts or pieces that were junk, but things that weren't being used anymore. He was able to keep up, and that was kind of where the name came from. It was just a scrappy little platform that could kind of get the job done, and that's kind of where he got it. And after things started falling apart, Sleeping Princess, even just having bushings tearing apart on the road, trying to go camping, just driving it on the highway was generally just not possible. So every step of the way, there was something that when there was a failure, it was a forced upgrade.
Right.
Very fitting name.
It is. So he's tired of just the little nicking and knocking at it. And to me, he's going from the underdog to the big dog in the fight. This WJ is going to be one of the premier WJs in town. I'm telling you right now, we've got a heck of a build series coming at you guys. Well, we are going to put some great parts under this thing. And starting off today is going to be build number 1, day number 1, and that's teardown. We're basically going to jack this thing up, get it nice and safe, put it on some jack stands. All of the suspension is coming out from underneath of it, front and rear. The axles are coming out from underneath of it. And step number 1 is going to be to prep for the frame stiffeners.
That's right. The iron rock frame stiffeners are what you're going to use to make this more rigid. With a WJ being a unibody, you don't really have a lot to work with as far as keeping the frame stiff and providing a lot of much needed rigidity for steering components, and just beefing up everything underneath there to make sure that you have good points to weld to for this suspension. These axles are very heavy compared to what a stock WJ has. So the flex and control of what a unibody does to keep the chassis straight, you don't have that much to hold a giant Dana 60 under there.
Without a rigid frame, this thing would actually twist itself to pieces and it would just tear itself apart. Or you would just constantly rip brackets off of it, things of that nature. And you don't want that. You want to have a foundation that's solid to start with.
So again, to help avoid that, we went with Iron Rock's frame stiffeners. They make a whole kit, and it's from front to back of the entire section. They took all the guesswork out of it. You stick it on there, you get your measurements. They've got great videos on how to do it. If you're not sure,
very good videos.
Go check out what they have online. They take care of everything for you.
Also, with these, you don't have to worry about when you weld these frame stiffeners on. The bolt holes, they've already thought about all that. So when we weld these on, we come right back underneath with the long arm setup, and it still bolts into place without having any problems having to cut out the holes, or anything that needed cut on the frame is different. But with the stiffeners, they've actually thought of all that stuff for you.
Taken all the guesswork out
all of it. All of it.
Really good job
so
on that.
We're going to get started. We're going to tear this thing down and just show you a little bit what needs to be done. Time to do some sketchy beep. So, we're not mic'd up because we don't want the screaming pain of what we're about to do. Enjoy Matt in the background. We're bleeping Jeep watching as we're doing some fun stuff. Kill, you ready? I mean, I'm not ready, but should we do this?
As I'll ever be.
Okay, we needed 4 jacks, and actually we needed a lift, but we're going to try this. How quick does this one go down?
Pretty quick.
Nice.
That was maybe, yeah, that's fine. You gotta start with that one.
you having fun yet?
Oh yeah. This is the easy stuff.
Yeah, that's because the hard stuff already came. He already dropped the Adams drive shaft on my nose. Thankfully, it was only a 1310.
Yeah. I do apologize about that.
Dude, about took out my teeth and everything. I was working on something else while he was working one of those long-winded ones. I was kind of expecting a, hey, Joe, it's ready, grab that.
I missed it by that much.
Yeah, no, I didn't get a, hey, Joe, it's ready, grab that. It was wham!
Well, hey, Joe, get ready to grab that because this is about ready to come out.
Oh, you guys missed a little bit. While you were gone, we went ahead and disconnected all the control arms, the ABS lines, the shocks, the brake lines, drag link.
The drive shaft.
Do the honors. So you'll want to tap right there. Yeah, he ain't going to bend over because he's got one coming.
No.
You don't want it all the way out.
I know, I just
Okay.
put it on one more thread.
Just making sure. Something just fell off.
Those are the spacers coming out of
Oh, okay. It's not coming, huh?
Oh, it sure ain't, but I'm beating the crap out of that frickin' pitman arm.
You ain't got you got a pick fork?
I don't know.
You can use a pickle fork, but if you're trying to resell or get rid of the existing stuff, you're gonna just ruin the boot and all that. But it's all replaceable for somebody. He's probably gonna just marketplace this thing if anybody's needing a good day in a 30. There ain't nothing wrong with this one. It was fine. Probably have some control arms to go with it as well. Actually, just go on over to our AZ Westside Wheelers group on Facebook, and we will post up all kinds of stuff on there.
Oh, hey. How about this?
Done.
Are you serious? Dude, if I'd have hit it one more time,
Let the master mechanic step in. You're welcome.
or you could just...
I hit it the other direction. I reached under there and gave it one. You'll see it on the video. See? See? I hope you probably can't see it, but I reached under and went whack. One tap, brother. It's loose.
Alright, whack one tap.
See, little known fact, I've been doing mechanic work since I was a little kid at Grandpa's shop. He used to own a bunch of trucks that worked at for concrete. Just regular Chevy pickups and stuff. That's where I got my start. I was just a little kid doing maintenance.
Alright, you ready for this?
Yeah,
I'm gonna take the nut off.
go ahead.
I think it's
Just like
size
this.
for us.
I'm doing it.
Oh, are you?
Yes.
Dude, wait. I was standing at that point of egress.
I know.
Oh shit, there it goes!
What happened?
It rolled all the way on the jack, and now the springs are out.
That's how you remove your springs. We weren't going to take all the time to mess with that. Get it out of there, Killian. Boy, those are the best cutters in the world, aren't they?
I'm telling you.
I think my teeth would work better.
Oh, it's a metal zip tie.
Joe's got that metal zip
There's
tie.
a green one, and it's the same one, but it's green in there.
See, Joe's got some metal zip ties that he hooks people up with once in a while. They are the bomb.com.
Yeah, I remember now.
They will never come off, even if you're cutting them.
Yeah, I remember now.
Sweet. Okay.
You can just pull it out with the...
Hang on, no. We got one more over here, dude. So.
What was that? Alright.
Spring is removed.
Spring is removed. I'm gonna get it and take this other one out before that does the same thing. I don't like that. Felt like I was in a Bugs Bunny cartoon.
Now we got to get our path out of here. Or where we're going to take it. You feel?
I just want to roll it out.
Oh,
Yep.
and welcome back. bellies now. We're going to try and work this thing out of the garage. Just don't put your toes underneath. See, we're removing rear control arms. Hopefully Killian's going to stay alive from this process. We're not trying to unalive people. There we go. Video 1 of the series. Remove axles. Get ready for frame stiffeners. And he bought a relocation for this spring bucket. Stick around for the next video. We're going to have a bunch of good content coming. Lots more stuff to come on this WJ. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks always. Stay real.